Hey YouTube, today I went a little shopping at the Dollar General. They was doing a sale on Powerades, for 85 cents each, and I grabbed 10, but I kept 5. I gave 3 to my grandma, and I gave 1 to my aunt, and I gave 1 to my little cousin, because I don't drink anything that's grape besides grape soda or whatever. So, and I don't drink anything that's orange. So it's like an orange flavor. So I had grabbed 10, I kept 5 like I said. I got the strawberry lemonade, the pink one, and then I grabbed the melon, which is the green one, 2 blueberry glasses, which is the pink one, and fruit punch. And I also grabbed the Lipton iced tea, the instant tea. Then I had grabbed the country time, half and half, half lemonade, half tea. I want to try this. I've been hearing about it, so I want to try it. I will do a review on it, but it's the instant. And all I grabbed was 2 big bags of potato chips. You know, I had to have my potato chips in my hot sauce. So it's been a while since I had some, so I grabbed that too. And I also grabbed this store brand cranberry juice. And I never heard of this company, Clover Valley. I never heard of that company, so I would try this and do a review on this also. And I grabbed the cranberry pomegranate. They had one with the sour apple cranberry. They had one with blueberry cranberry, strawberry cranberry. They had different kinds of flavors, but once I saw the pomegranate flavor, I wanted to try it. So I'm gonna do a review on this, and I'm gonna do a review on the half lemonade, half tea country time thing. Cause I've been looking on the TV and stuff like that, and I've been like, oh, I want to try it. So yeah, and all of this came out to be $22, and I still got 4 cents. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and if you want me to do more reviews on something that's come out or something like that, just let me know. Hit me up, and God bless. Bye.